The first question: what form of a negations does the prologue permit? The answer is negations as failures. Next question: which of the following is raised in the prologue unifications AI algorithm? The answer is occur check. Next question: what will be returned by backward chaining AI algorithm? The answer is substitution machine the query. Next question: which of the following AI algorithm is more identical to backward chaining AI algorithm? The answer is depth first search algorithm. How we can consider the goal in backward chaining AI algorithm? The answer is stack. Next question: AI algorithm backward from the target to solve the problem. Forward chaining. Which of the following problem can occur habitually in backward chaining AI algorithm? The answer is repeated states and incompleteness